In this video, I'm going to show you how to export image in Framer. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that if you're using the web version, like me over here right now, unfortunately, this is not possible on the web. So if I go over here, there's no way to actually export. However, you have to download their official desktop app to be able to do this. Now, to get it, you can just download it from their official website, and then you want to open up your app, and you want to, of course, sign into your account. It's the same account you actually use on web, and then open up your project, your website, and then from here you can click on the image you want to export, and then here on the right hand side you want to scroll down, and at the bottom it's going to say export. Now click on this plus button over here. It's going to create an export. Select how many basically the dimensions over here. I'm going to do 1 over here, and then you have to select a suffix as well, or of course the folder, and then you can select if you want it to be a PNG or JPEG over here, and then you can just basically click on export over here. It's going to open up your file manager. You can go ahead and put it to whatever folder you want. Just click on save over here, and it's basically going to start exporting that specific image, of course, into your folder, the one that you selected. So that's how to export. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.